I found the typewriter in the attic, its keys stained and cold. As I pressed the first letter, a whisper slithered from the machine. "Let me out." The words it typed weren't mine. Names, dates, secrets I'd never known. Each night, the whispers grew louder, the keys moving by themselves, spelling out my own fears. One evening, the typewriter clattered violently, and the final line appeared. "You're next." My reflection in the window twisted into a stranger's face, grinning. The typewriter fell silent, but the whispers now echoed from my own mouth. I can never stop typing.